Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Mga kasangga, it's a day before the big event of Bash. Our beautiful Queen Bea Alonzo go to Ivy Clinic for her skin and beauty treatment. It's her way para mapaghandaan ang big event na ito, at napakaganda naman talaga niya ng gabing iyon, diba? So here's the ganap guys, let's watch this.
Hello, Ivy Leaguers. I'm back at the Ivy Clinic and I'm preparing for the Bash event, which I'm very excited about. I'm doing Vixen for my arms and later for my tummy. I'm also doing Soft Wave for my face para snatched. I'm doing Soft Wave today.
I know, kasi para naman siyang pasabog.
Instant yun, diba? Instant.
Yes. So what's gonna happen?
So we will be launching a new line. So we're launching a backpack and a glossy line.
Grabe ka talaga. Ang dami mo tagang pasabog. Alam mo si Bea is in her business entrepreneur era.
I have to.
Diba? Which is, I love
I'll be
it.
wearing a different hat again.
I know, which is, I'm so proud of you because you have wear many hats.
Yeah.
Diba? And you're also exploring other opportunities.
That's right.
Oh, diba?
Actually, I'm channeling my, like, dito ko binubos yung creative energy ko, I feel. Since I'm not acting these days, parang feeling ko nakita mo lahat ng creative juices in one place.
Wow, that's nice. It's nice to see a different side of Bea. Right.
Kinakabahan ako, parang lagi ako mag-premiere na. Ganun yung feeling. Kasi ang baby mo diba?
Yes, nakakaba.
Nakakaba all the time. Pero, okay lang. It's both exciting and nerve-wracking.
So we are using the super technology for Bea because we want her to have that tightening effect and lifting effect. Na walang downtime kasi meron siyang big events for Bash. We have to prepare her to make sure she looks very good. She looks tight and chiseled. So this one is a once-a-year skin tightening. So if you want to tighten the skin and improve the skin quality.
So, instant effect siya na.
Yes, saka wala siyang downtime kasi may event.
Yeah. Fairness, hindi siya talaga masakit ako. Hindi ko gaganda. Ang saya-saya ng party mo. Ang saya nung...
So we're done on one side of the face. So let's see, Bea. Let's see if there's a difference. Oh, pack. Oh, look at that. Ay, mas lifted. Pack. Talaga. Pakita natin kay Bea. May mirror. Yeah.
Mas match?
Yes, mas match ka na. Mas nag-lift. This side is more lifted. Oh, tingnan mo dito. Oh, mas loose. Tingnan mo. Mas match.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Who is she? Charot.
Oo nga. Look at this. Guys, look at this. This is more snatch. This is firmer. Look at this. It's looser. And yeah. And look at her right side. It's more lifted up.
Mas lifted.
Yes. Yeah, you know, mas hindi ka, mas ano pa dito, snatch. Dito mas may konting roundness.
Ganda to.
Diba?